What's up, YouTube? It's LILT Techaholics. Back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this application on my TV and how I set up everything so I can be able to play Xbox games on it without an Xbox. So let's get it in.
On the level, on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you bring me up a shovel.
Alright, so first things first, this wasn't an easy task. I actually had to figure out how to get the applications onto the TV. So what I had to do was I went into the Play Store and I tried to search for esfile explorer. Wasn't on there. So what I had to do is I had to find another application. It's called x-plorer or something like that. It's right here. But it's not esfile explorer. Oh, it's explorer. So you want this application, right? We'll go ahead and install it right now. Also, make sure y'all have really good Wi-Fi. I'm using Spectrum, so I have pretty good Wi-Fi, especially where I'm at. And you want to go ahead and you want to allow this. And what you want to do is on this application, you want to go to where it says file sharing, right? And you want to go on there. I actually don't want to show y'all the IP address of my device just because, you know, I'm not trying to do that, you know, because I don't want people trying to hack my stuff or whatever. So if you go right here and you go, I actually edit that out. So I'll edit that part out. But you want to go ahead and you want to log on to that address. It's right there. And whenever you go into that address, you're going to get an option. Let me grab something real quick and I'll be right back. Alright. Alright, so I went ahead and I opened it up. As you can tell, it's right here, right? And I'm sorry if y'all can see this. Alright, so you have different options, right? That's over here. And there's this option that's right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a blue little arrow that's pointing up. You want to click that, right? And it'll ask you if you want to allow. Yes, say yes, obviously. And then at the bottom, it'll give you options. What you want to do is you want to go into files, right? Let me find the file. So let's say you have the esfile explorer on there, right? And you want to find esfile explorer or whatever application that you're going to send over. Like, okay, so I have the esfile explorer right there, right? Don't worry about these. Okay, I'll edit all that out. So I'll go ahead and go to esfile explorer. You want to click the normal way, and whenever it sends over, it'll actually pop up on your device. So since that I already have this installed, I don't think that it's going to really do anything. So I don't want to go back. I want to go right here to where it says internal storage, right? And you scroll all the way down. Boom. It'll be right here, right? So once whenever esfile explorer is installed, you know, you'll go ahead and click it and install it. You'll go into settings, go into yes, or go ahead and allow it to install, and go ahead and go back. Go ahead and go to install. Since I already have it installed, obviously it's not going to do anything. Alright, So once that's installed, you go ahead and open it up, and this allows you to be able to download anything that you want to on your device, be able to install anything that you want to. Okay, so whatever application that you have, you can be able to transfer it over easy, quick, and you don't have to go through all that other stuff. So just on my other device, I'm going to go to esfile, and I'm going to look for the stream application that I actually got on the Play Store. So you want to find that in the Play Store, and if you haven't signed up for it already, it took me a little while to actually be able to get accepted for it. So you want to go ahead and you want to go to the stream.com, or I'll put the link in the description for everything, as y'all know, and you want to go ahead and you want to sign up for that. And it's pretty cool, you know, you can be able to do it across platforms. It doesn't matter. I got it on my tablet, on my phone, and now my smart TV. So it's really cool to have. But you want to go ahead and you want to find it in your selection of applications, and I found it right here. Right, you want to go ahead and you want to hold down on the application like this, right, and you'll see that it will select it. You'll go to share down here in the options. Whenever that pops up, you want to go to, whoop, I didn't mean to do that. You want to go to ES by land. All right, and there it goes. It pops up 4K TV. I'll have to edit that out again. So go ahead and hide this, and then go to send, and you'll see it'll pop up on the TV. So you'd be like, okay, go to download, go to okay. And I'll show you how to set up your streaming account. You obviously need an Xbox account and all that stuff. That is just going to take way too long. But just go ahead and you'll go right here, go to install. But obviously I'm not going to install it again. If you see right up there in the corner, it says streaming. There's no reason for me to do it, because then I'll just have to log back in. But you know, we'll go ahead and we'll do it for the sake of the video, if it even allows it. Okay, it says app not installed. Okay, that's cool. Fine. Let me see. Let's see if it logged me out. Another thing that you want to note too is that you do want some type of mouse, because since that this application does not work with the TV, you're going to experience some issues if you do not have the mouse. I mean, yeah, it works now with the, you know, the button controls, but you're not going to get anything to work. You see, it won't do much at all with the remote itself. I mean, with the Xbox remote, it'll do a lot. You see, turn it on. You can actually choose whatever you want, because the Xbox can control, or the remote can control the device. So let me try to log out. Whoop. Let me try to log out of this real quick. And then I'll show y'all. Okay, so as you can tell right now, my controller's not doing anything, right? I'm going up, going down. This is where you need the remote. You can't use your remote on your TV. It sounds like it's working, but it's not. So let me grab my my remote real quick for it. Alright, so this is just a little remote that has the mouse toggle on it. So as you can tell right here, you can go to next, or whatever you need to click on. Click on this, go to next, or whatever, you know, this is the reason why you need this mouse toggle or some type of mouse. So you want to go to sign in, and then here's where you could either use a keyboard, or you can use the keyboard on the Android TV. Yeah, it's a little trick to get it working, but either way it still works flawlessly. So you want to go ahead and you want to go right here. Like I said, you could either use the remote to log in, or you can use the mouse to log in. So let me log in real quick again, and I'll show y'all the rest. Alright, so as y'all log in, you'll see that'll say let's play, and you just go ahead and you just click OK or let's play. Then you have all your games and stuff that you want to play. So like I said, with the remote it works perfectly fine. So everything works fine. And what's cool too is that if I go right here and if I go to console streaming, right, my Xbox is not connected to my TV still. So I'll show you all that right now as well. Again, you'll see where it'll say the console and it'll say not connected, right? Or no input. Yep, I mean, you see nothing's working, and obviously my controller wouldn't be connected to the Xbox to turn it on either way. So y'all see right there, it's not working. So I'll go to connect, right? And if you can hear it, my Xbox just kicked on right there. So there you go. My Xbox is logged on, no HDMI connected, anything like that, and it's all streaming. Yeah, it might lag a little bit, you know, y'all might see that in this video, but remember, it's still in the process of being like made, you know, so there are going to be little glitches and stuff. So that's what people like me and like you would be for, is to give them feedback. And you've seen the little glitch there, but still, it's really cool. And if I do go back to the input right now, to the game console, now it'll be connected, or now it might pop up, you see. But either way, you see, still, it's not, I'm not controlling the Xbox from my Xbox remote. See, I'm going up and down. This is not a different remote. I don't have more than one, so this isn't working. So now if I do go back to where it's on the gaming preview right here, you'll see that it'll pop back up and it'll work perfectly fine. See, it'll say reconnecting or whatever because there was an issue. We see now it's working fine. There you go. So if you want to sign up for this, you want to go to Xbox streaming preview. .com. Let me see the preview. Right here. So you want to go to the Xbox streaming preview.com. It is official from Xbox. So I just looked it up on Google, the streaming preview, and then you'll see right here, it'll be this one right here, the xCloud. Like I said, it took me a little while to be able to get this. So you can see this right here. I'll try to get it in view so y'all could be able to see it. It's kind of hard, but go down. And you want to go to where it says register now. So go to sign in or create an account. You want to go to sign in, and then whenever you sign in and all that stuff, you can ask them to allow you to be able to be a part of this. And like I said, it might take a little while. I don't know. It might take a little less time for you to actually be able to get it accepted. But, you know, you definitely want to have an Xbox account, and you definitely want to have, you know, a device that you can be able to use this on, because, you know, it could be the future of Xbox. And, you know, now you can actually play games on a smart TV without an Xbox. So do you need the account to be able to do it? No. All that you need to do is just be accepted for the xCloud gaming from Xbox. So you do still need the account, but you don't need the online account. My bad, that's what I meant to say. So you don't need like Xbox Live or anything like that. So it is a preview, so I don't know if it's going to last forever or how long that it actually lasts, but it actually works pretty well. So as you can tell in the last video, I'm not going to play any games in this one because obviously it's already been a little bit of time for me to show y'all how to do this. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.